join me. Let's do some art.
So today I'm jumping in and starting right away because there isn't a whole lot to show you or to explain. I will be creating an art journal page, and I usually prefer working on this very sturdy chipboard. I have a journal that has jump rings, and so when I'm done with this page, it will join some of my other creations in there, and I just prefer working that way rather than in a bound journal. Anyway, I start here by laying down some background papers, just some bits and pieces of craft paper, some book pages and so on. I use my Mod Podge, and it just gives me an initial texture and a little bit of interest so I can take it from there. Today was one of those days where I wanted to play around with colors, create something without making a huge mess in my art room as I had limited time. So I really enjoyed this process. I hope you will too. Like always, you will find anything you need to know in the captions. So enjoy a little music and I will chat with you towards the end. Well, great timing. The music came to an end and I completed my page. And as you can see, it already lives in my journal. Now, because of the paper bits in the background and those paper strips, the whole page has nice texture. Now, because that ink pad I used for the lettering was so dry, I had to go over the outlines with just some black paint. And I was going to show it to you, but somehow I didn't have my camera on. Another thing I did, I added a little bit of black to blacken out a few of those white dots because they had a funny position and made the sea look awkward. So here's the lady. It looks like she's a little bit stuck and maybe went down a spiral, maybe lost her mojo or her peace of mind, but let's hope she can find her way back out of it. So that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed the process. When you watch this, I will be enjoying another one of our camping trips, but I will be back with you soon. So until then, bye bye for now.